Hi guys, so let's have a look at how easy it is to start using Apple iCloud and Apple Photos on your Windows PC. Windows 10 is the one I'm using, and it's only an old laptop and it goes really slow, but it's quite useful having iCloud there. Now if you've got a Mac or an iPhone or an iPad, then that's a real bonus, because all we need to do is get this to open File Explorer. Now there's File Explorer open, and you can see in the left hand column here you've got iCloud Drive and iCloud Photos. Now, do we need quick access loaded? Well, it's taking its time doing that, so let's stop it. Well, there it is. But right now we'll go to iCloud Drive and show you how that loads. Now there's everything on iCloud. All my Affinity Photo, Affinity Publisher and Affinity Designer files. There they all are. Lovely. They're accessible now from my PC, where of course I've got, let me show you, if you didn't notice before, Affinity Photo, Affinity Publisher and Affinity Designer. Now there's the folder, there's iCloud Photos, that does the same thing. Now I've only just enabled this, so the system is working real hard to download all the files. We'll download the place markers. Mind you, it doesn't actually download the files until you want one of those files, and it will download it. What it's doing at the moment is downloading the place markers. Now I'll come back to that in a moment, because what I want to show you how you get this is simply go to there and type Microsoft Store, and I'm sure you're familiar with the store. Bring up Microsoft Store, go to search and type in iCloud. There's the iCloud app, just came up right at the top, and there it is there. So let's click on that one and see if we can get it to load. Here it comes. It's very busy because it's doing that. You can see in the background all the iCloud photos are slowly loading. Now you've got a picture of a cloud there that shows you that they're all up in the cloud, and if I want one I just click on it and down it comes, and will open in whatever photo software I've got as default. So let's bring iCloud back up. Now to install iCloud you simply click Install. Now of course you'll need an Apple ID, and that's simple. It will ask you that during the install if you want to create an Apple ID. It has to be the same as the one that's on your Mac or your iPad or your other Apple devices, exactly the same one, so that it can download exactly the same photos and iCloud Drive folders from the cloud. Quite simple. Now you don't use it as a storage and backup. What I actually do is work in that area. Now I'll close that because it's already installed, but there's all my photos installed, well, ready for use. There's my iCloud Drive ready for use, and that's all done simply through there, through the iCloud. Let me bring that back up. iCloud Drive, iCloud Photos. Now a word of caution here: if you've got a lot of files already in the iCloud, and I believe the first 2 gig are free anyway, so I mean there's no real excuse for not using it, at least as a way of moving files between different devices. But there it is, too easy to use, and I encourage you to use it. Lots of people use 50 different things and have spare hard drives and spare SSD drives hanging off your computer. If you've got a laptop, a MacBook Pro, or you've got a laptop Windows type computer, you don't want to be lugging around spare drives and plugging them in and all that kind of thing. Now, see that little flag that's popped up there, because this thing here is searching the drive and slowly enabling everything on here. I might add that I'm going to upgrade this particular laptop to an SSD drive. It's a very old laptop, and as you can see from the lack of speed, it badly needs updating. If anyone wants to donate an SSD drive to me, I will gladly accept it. But that little cloud that comes up there tells me that all of those files that have that cloud attached, just like in Photos, those files are actually on the cloud. They're not on my computer. This is just a location, a placeholder if you like. Okay, now that's all there is to it. If you once this is installed and working and your computer's on, laptop or PC, it doesn't matter, but there's no mystery to loading iCloud. The mystery is why it takes so long to synchronize between your device and the cloud. Once it's synchronized and you're using a file here and a file there, it's really quite quick. But this first bit, this has taken nearly 4 days so far, and it's still not completely synchronized. Let me show you down here. There it is there. And if you can read that, it's initializing. There's all the little clouds in there. Updated just now. Updated a minute ago. Now, if I leave that sit for a while, oops, no, I don't want to personalize it. Dismiss. If you leave it sit for a while, see those ones still haven't synchronized yet. They've got that little whizzy line on them. But I can start them synchronizing by tapping that. But if I just leave it go, it will do it itself. And it's that easy. Okay. Thank you for watching.